in the middle. Syrup's in the middle, butter's in the middle, knife's in the middle, forks are in the middle.
And these paints are too big. So
we really get this. They're too big for you, don't we?
I packed Brandon's pants, or he somehow got yours, I think, Bella.
What?
Justin somehow ended up with a pair of your pants.
It doesn't matter.
Really can't get them on. You know, they won't stay on.
Oh, you won't? Watch.
that's why I say these.
I'm a gangster. I have pants that's 2 times larger than I am.
Gangsta.
Justin's a gangster.
Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
Pants on the ground.
Pants on the ground. Looking like a fool. Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
It's too hot to put on.
I don't see why people do that anyway. Have their pants too big.
Okay.
Some people say
bacon.
that's just the way they
syrup.
got them.
Okay.
Eggs. The wonderful Papa eggs.
Oh, yeah.
The wonderful Papa eggs. The wonderful Papa eggs.
You guys hungry?
Yeah.
You don't look hungry. Much.
Hand me JT's plate there, Bella.
No.
You don't
You want eggs?
I
Well,
want
he's got to hand it to me. Oh, you got a little extra there. Okay. There you go, Abel.
All right, look
this
at you. Oh.
Yeah, grab that one,
bacon.
Bella.
I need bacon. I need bacon.
Oh, yeah.
The bacon is a happening thing there. Yeah.
Okay, who wants more eggs?
Me.
How many pieces each do we get?
Start with 3 and we'll work our way up.
1. Only start with 3. Oh.
Okay, Bubba, grab some cakes.
How many?
Let's start with 3. That'll work. Okay, you grab 3. Okay, Mr. Abel, you grab 3.
Oh, and
All right.
I ate some of mine.
You want salt too?
Yeah, just a little.
Okay. There's pepper. Be careful. There it is. Don't put too much salt on anything, okay? Just a little to flavor. Okay, let's eat. That doesn't work.
What a great meal, man. Thank you, Grandpa. Huh? Yeah. All
you're
right. Thank you, Bones. This is fantastic.
Eat hearty, guys.
I am.